Welcome to you once again. This is Astrology, bringing you my tarot series, giving you tarot and patra readings, birth charts, crystals and runes included. Join me on this journey. Astrology is here once again to test your patience and your knowledge and your willingness to learn and do and become something different. This is the Trine tarot reading for November 12th to the 30th, 2022. And the first card here in the first row that we have, and I'm using the Lenormand pack again for this week, we have Gentleman with the Ace of Hearts. And the gentleman here comes with Mountain, the Eight of Clubs, and Key, the Eight of Diamonds. And with double eight, you know that it's transformation, you know that it's change. And in the past, you were at the crossroads, probably with a male partner, a male friend, which may have brought you distress, because the mountain is all about obstacles. And you understand that he's the key to alleviating the obstacles in your way, because he will be the catalyst for you for overcoming these obstacles. And when I say that, I mean that the challenges that he has brought into your life, you need to accept those challenges so that you can become someone better. You don't go down to his level, as a famous uh, president's wife said to us, so that you need to overcome these obstacles. Be better than those persons who are trying to bring you down. And this is in your past, so that you have some obstacles to overcome, you have some delays, you have some distress. But the key is for you to understand that it's transformation. It's transformation for you. And it all stems from somebody who is in a male partner. And then in the second row, the present, you have the King of Spades, the Lily. You have Clouds, which is the King of Clubs. And then you have the Tree, which is Seven of Hearts and number 5. And again here you have double King. And the King of Spades and the King of Clubs is all about work, all about business. So it's all about your finances. And the lily tells you that the past has given you a level of maturity. You are older, wiser, and the experiences of the past with the gentleman there has put you in a place of comfort in the present. But you still have some doubts, because the King of Clubs is there. The clouds are not shining through. There are dark places within those cloud cover that we're seeing there. So you still carry some doubt, but the tree tells you you are deeply rooted in gaining that financial stability. That it may not be permanent, because change, as in your past, is not permanent. It is constant, but it is not permanent. And this is dealing with your financial stability at present. And then for the future, we have the bear, we have dog, and we have coffin. And my goodness, you have double 10 here again. So you had double 8, you had double king, and now you have double 10. And the bear tells you that you can become very powerful, you know, but if you do not use the maturity, your power will bring you grief and loss of a trusted friend, because this is what this final row is telling you, you know, um, that in your heart you know that this person is a trusted friend, but because of the power that you have gained from those double kings and the lily and the clouds, you are letting your doubt probably allow you to not understand that your trusted friend, your loyal friend, can be lost to you, because it may not be a physical debt, but their loyalty and friendship, which enabled you to become a powerful and uh, probably a stable leader, is that you will lose if you are going to be the victim rather than the provocateur, as we say, the agent of change. So, just for clarity, in the Lenormand pack, if you knight the lily, you will get the coffin, and vice versa. And this is clarification telling you that you need to take some time for yourself, that the bear will become protective rather than someone with only power, who only sees power to get them somewhere. And the tree knighted with the bear, because this is the bear, the powerful bear. The tree knighted with the bear speaks to taking time to smell the roses, so that you can achieve balance and harmony, utilizing the bear's power in a positive way rather than a negative way, because you don't want to lose a loyal friend. Understand the thin line between power and bully. And then we have, let's just get a further clarification from maintaining balance here in the Bhagavad Gita. And it's chapter 6, verse 16. And this is the Dhan Yoga, which is the yoga of meditation. And this verse tells us, O Arjun, those who eat too much or too little, sleep too much or too little, and they cannot gain or attain success in their life or in yoga. So that, sometimes you feel that you have it all and you are complete, and you are on a path that doesn't give you that harmony and balance, because often beginners on a path with their incomplete wisdom, they believe that they are the soul and not the body. So simply engage in whatever activity, forgetting about the maintenance of your body and your mind. But such philosophy cannot get you far. It is true that we are not the body, yet the body is our carrier as long as we live, and we are obliged to take care of it. So this is what smelling the roses and taking some time for yourself is meaning. It's saying maintain that balance. And here the chapter and verse from the Bhagavad Gita is telling you that. And the body is the vehicle for engaging in religious activity. If the body becomes unwell, then the spiritual pursuits get impeded too. The Ramayana states Tanu Binu Bhajna Vida Nahi Varana. The Vedas do not recommend that we ignore the body while engaging in spirituality. So here again, the Bhagavad Gita is telling us, maintain that balance between the coffin, the lily, the bear, the tree, the gentleman from the past, the key to it, and scaling that mountain. And then what is the goddess going to tell us? Which goddess do we have? We have the goddess of harvest, Abhol Nimba. And Abhol Nimba is the Baga people's fertility goddess. And she's waving her energetic arms to get your attention, to say that this is the moment. You have the power to shift things. Make it rain in the heavens so that you can harvest. Reap the harvest to bask in the sun of your life. Because you have worked for it, you understand what you have to do. Don't become the bear that you will end up in the coffin, without friends, without a future. Understand that life is all about giving, life is all about sharing. There are obstacles in your path, but you need to maintain that balance to be happy. And Trine, this is what the message is for you in this period for November 12th to the 30th. Bhagwan has once again brought me to the end of another analysis at Zidam Astrology. I ask that you share, sign up, subscribe. I have completed 2 tutorials on the Tarot Trine, why I use it, and the transit of grahas or planets, a little bit on the terminology of it. So look forward to that, and they will be published within this month. So thank you once again, and I hope to see you next time, where you can be happy, healthy, and safe, and that your dreams always enable you to enter something new and give you hope and happiness.